how cooler work and how to overcome them. If they are cooler, I will much let review I work cooler. Slower and cooler, oil temperature will then be pumped into the engine, the future lubricated and absorb the heat generated by the engine. This hot oil will return to the oil cooler to be cooled again by seawater, and that's how the oil cooler works. I to the let's dismantle the cooler and take the key to open the cooling and 3 to is the cooler. The cooling tool is not cooled with much. 3 not the user and objects the fixture and cooling hole. That's all for my presentation. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.